Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, welcome to the corner of the internet where tech meets curiosity, and where I try to automate my life one JSON at a time. Recently, I decided to explore n8n, a tool that's getting a lot of love in the automation and no-code community. If you've never heard of it, think of n8n as a visual way to connect apps, APIs, and data, kind of like if Zapier and Node-RED had a baby, but that baby could write SQL and talk to your Telegram bot. So as my first experiment, I built something fun and practical. An automated YouTube trend tracker that checks what's trending in different countries, saves new video info to a database, and sends me updates in Telegram. And I didn't write a single full-blown backend app, it's all stitched together using n8n's building blocks. Let me walk you through how it works. First up, the schedule trigger. The workflow kicks off every 5 minutes, thanks to n8n's built-in schedule node. You can choose intervals in minutes, hours, days, even custom CRON expressions, if you're into that kind of thing. Mine is set to fire every 5 minutes like clockwork. This ensures the system is always scanning for the newest trending videos with almost real-time freshness. Region setup. Next, we define which countries we want to check trends for. In this case, Italy, the United States, and Ukraine, a diverse mix of cultures, languages, and YouTube tastes. I use an edit fields node to pass a static list of country codes. That list gets transformed by a bit of JavaScript into individual items. This allows us to send one request per country, because YouTube's API doesn't support batch region queries. Hitting the YouTube API. For each region, the workflow makes an HTTP GET request to YouTube's videos endpoint, with parameters like chart equals most popular, so we get what's currently hot. Region code equals XX, where XX is IT, US, or UA. Max results equals 30, to keep it manageable. Part equals snippet, statistics, we want both video metadata and some performance stats. And of course, the API key, securely passed in. The result is a list of video objects, each packed with juicy data, title, description, channel, publish date, tags, thumbnails, even category ID and view count if needed. Splitting and cleaning the data. Once the data is in, I use the split out node to separate each video from the array. Then, a custom code block processes each video, reformatting and flattening the structure. We extract the region it came from, the video ID, title, description, publish date, the channel ID, and the thumbnail URL, plus tags, which I merge into a simple comma-separated string. This makes the data nice and clean, ready for the database and the Telegram message. Talking to PostgreSQL. Here's where it gets a bit more technical. Before storing anything, I run a SQL query to check if the video ID is already present in my table called YouTube_trends. We don't want duplicates, so I use a simple select count, asterisk, to see if it's already there. If the result is 0, that means it's a new video. Telegram notification. For new videos, I send a message through Telegram, but not just plain text. I use the send photo operation with the video's thumbnail as the image, and a caption in HTML format with the video title in bold, the tags as plain text, and a clickable link to the video. It's like getting a breaking news alert, but for memes, music videos, and recipe hacks. The moment a new trending video drops, I get a sleek message in my Telegram inbox, no need to open YouTube at all. Saving to the database. Finally, I insert the video into my PostgreSQL database. All the important fields go in: region, video ID, timestamps, titles, thumbnails, etc. And I'm using a nice on-conflict do-nothing clause so that even if something slips through, duplicates are ignored automatically. This means the workflow can run indefinitely without bloating the DB or crashing from repeat entries. Why this is cool? This whole process takes under a second to run per video. And the best part, it's hands-off. Once I built it in n8n and activated it, I haven't touched it since. It's like building a digital assistant that watches YouTube for you and keeps score. Now, if you're wondering what else you can do with n8n, let me throw out a few ideas. Twitter or Reddit keyword monitor, get alerts when certain words or topics pop up. Crypto price watcher, track coins and trigger buy, sell signals. Website uptime monitor, ping sites every 5 minutes and alert you if one's down. RSS to Notion pipeline, feed blog updates or news articles into a Notion database. AI-powered summary bot, send a link, get a summary using OpenAI or Claude. If you're enjoying this so far, and you're into automation, APIs, or building little robots to do boring things, hit that like button and subscribe. It tells the algorithm I'm not just talking to myself here. n8n has been a blast to explore, and this YouTube tracking workflow is just my first serious build with it. I'm planning to dive deeper into the platform, learn more, test more, and maybe break some stuff along the way. But hey, that's part of the fun. So here's a question for you. What would you automate if you had the power of n8n at your fingertips? Drop your ideas in the comments, I might turn one of them into the next build. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.